Are you helping Mommy make dinner? Oh, keep it in the box. That was pretty good. What are you making over there? Did you find it? What hand is it in? Oh, don't drop them. Does it go in her mouth? Up. Not in your mouth, or you can't play. You're gonna use your listening ears? A good listener. Let's be a good listener. Let's take it out of our mouth. What did Mommy ask? It's not food. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Not in my mouth. Would you like to try again? Okay. Here. No, it's not fun anymore. Can Mommy play? Oh. Do you want to try it? Mommy makes good soup, but it's not as good as Olivia's. Can you make me some? No. You don't want to make me any soup? Are you all done? What? Daddy? He's not home yet. Bummer, huh? He should be home soon. You want to get out? Would you like to watch a little bit of Olivia while Mommy gets dinner ready?
Yes.
Yes, please. Are you going to be a good girl?
No.
You have to be a good listener. Are you going to be a good listener?
No.
No! Are you sure? I think you mean yes, Mommy. Say yes, ma'am. Oh, can you wipe your nose? Oh, please wipe your nose when Mommy gets Olivia playing. Oh, what a good listener. Mommy's just going to help a little more. Oh, it's upside down.
Go, Mama.
Do you want to watch Olivia or Peppa?
Papa.
Peppa? Go ahead.
Okay.
Pick which one.
Well, Mama.
You want to try this one? The train? The plane?